I just received today the shower head that I ordered from Exclusive Home Goods. Very satisfied. Here are the instructions. The shower head, the washers, dishwashers to, if you want to save money, came with the Teflon and the wrench. I highly recommend it. And I'll put it in tomorrow. Thank you.
Absolutely shooketh right now. My stuff used to freaking leak. Like, look at this. I did not expect this $20 shower head to be this freaking strong. And then it came with like extra freaking... It came with a bunch of extra stuff and freaking look at this. That is awesome. Okay, it's completely worth.